Yo fam, it's Agent on Pulse, and if you are serious about building wealth on Pulse Chain, this one's for you. Let me introduce you to TurboX, the first ever Pulse Chain Node plus crypto bond launchpad. It's not just a launchpad, TurboX is evolving into a full-suite DeFi hub. We are talking about TurboX Hub for asset tracking and tools, TurboX Swap for instant Pulse Chain swaps, and even a crypto Visa card down the road. It's all connected to the Moonex ecosystem. So this is how we take DeFi mainstream. Real tools, real yield, fully on-chain. Now, if you want to mint your first Moonex crypto bond and earn up to 50% bonus with a deflationary token backed by real treasury, head over to app.turbox.bond, choose your bond range, select a treasury type, apply a referral address to unlock 15% tokens instantly, and let the smart contract do the work. All transparent, no middleman, no guesswork. It's time to bond up and moonify your assets. Let's go! So first things first, we gotta go to app.turbox.bond. So if you are using desktop, just go to any Chrome extension browser and connect to your wallet first. But if you are using a mobile wallet like OKX wallet in your iPhone or maybe Android, then you can go to your OKX wallet, go to the Discover page and paste app.turbox.bond. Alright. So after browsing the page, okay, you will be required to connect your wallet. So for my cases, I'm using OKX wallet on desktop. Okay. So when I click on my OKX wallet, I click on connect wallet. So there will be a window that pop up where you need to click sign. So once you have signed it, TurboX will pop you a message and says you are already connected. On the page, it's stated here, mint bond. Right underneath this Pulse Chain bonds, a new era of opportunity is here. Are you ready for the ride? So there's a mint bond button right here. So once you have clicked it, you'll be able to come into a page where it shows all the Pulse bonds. So right now, the only exclusive opportunity we have at the moment is Moonex. Okay, so we click on Moonex. So as you can see here, Moonex live price right now is trading at 9 cents. Okay, it's trading on DEXs like PIDES, 9mm, PulseX, but for centralized exchange, it's also listed on CRM Click. Okay, so if you are buying Moonex directly on the DEX or the SEX, okay, you are getting it at 9 cents per token. But right now, the best part is minting crypto bond. Why? Okay, let me show you. So for my cases right now, let's say I insert 100 USDT to mint the bond. The price immediately shows 0.072297, meaning to say my entry for one Moonex right now is at around 7 cents. Okay, so if I change my minting crypto range in USDT to $300 in USDT, it now shows a 30% bonus at 6 cents per Moonex token, right? Around 6 cents. Okay, let me change to 500 USDT. So right now, it's shown as bonus 40% and 5 cents per Moonex. Okay, and the vesting time from $100, $300, and $500, okay, is 6 months, 8 months, and 10 months. So that's the different investing period. Okay, when I shift my minting USD amount, okay, when I put it 1000 USDT and above, okay, the bonus will be 50%, and one Moonex token is about 4.5 cents. Okay, 4.5 cents, which means I get 50% off the live market price of Moonex token right now. Okay, so the vesting period is about 365 days, which is about 1 year. So as you can see here, there's a treasury type right here, where we can select to contribute partial of the funds as Pulse Chain, the Pulse token, or Ethereum, okay, or even USDT. So once I select Pulse, okay, which means this Pulse will go to the strategic crypto reserve, and the reserve one day when it makes profit in the future, right? So it's a decentralized crypto reserve. It will be triggered to take profit from the bigger capital market and extract the value back into Moonex ecosystem. So this is a decentralized crypto reserve, meaning to say the founder and the team behind Moonex, they have no access to this decentralized crypto reserve, which is what we want. We want DeFi, we want no middleman, we want trustless, right? So this is one way to do it. So Moonex crypto bond is fulfilling this part, right? It's filling the strategic crypto reserve and also adding more LP for Moonex/Pulse on the DEXs. The LP will be added on DEXs and the LP token will be burned, right? So meaning to say the liquidity will be added directly on DEX and burn the LP token, which means it's locked liquidity, okay? So for my cases right now, I'm using 119 USDT to enjoy a 20% bonus. So one Moonex for my entry is about 7 cents, okay? So my vesting term is about 183 days, is about 6 months, okay? So I click mint. So if you have a referral address, make sure to drop it. Why? Once you drop it, you'll get instantly 15% bonus with a referral address, okay? So the remaining 85% will vest over time accordingly, okay? So as usual, you'll need to approve the USDT transaction. Confirm. So once approval is done, there will be another message pop up and we click confirm again. Boom, minted successfully. So your bonds will be listed within your chart, okay? So right here, you can click on your bonds and then you'll be able to see what bonds you have minted. For my cases, I've minted Moonex, all right? So my deposit amount, 119 USDT. The treasury type that I've contributed is Pulse Chain, Pulse token. So the terms is counting down 182 days. So now you have successfully minted. So we go to your bonds in the page, right? So when you click into your bonds, you will be able to view whatever that you have minted. So for my cases, I've minted a Moonex crypto bond. So the deposited amount is 119 USDT. So the treasury type that I've selected, which means I've contributed Pulse to the strategic crypto reserve, okay? So the vesting term is a cliff vest, 182 days, right? So it's a counting down term. So the bond amount of what I will get in Moonex tokens in quantity is 1,399.59, okay? So you will be able to see there's two more columns right here. It's written available profit and claim profit, meaning to say during your effective term, right, the treasury that you have contributed, if it triggers the take profit mechanisms, meaning to say when Pulse really performs in the future down the road during your effective term, once the profit is taken and extracted to the Moonex ecosystem, the liquidity pool provide for buy and burn, provide for more liquidity injection and for ecosystem growth, right? There are partial of these profits is going to come to you because you are one of the bond contributors, okay? So for every minters of Moonex crypto bond, you have to know that we are all in this together. We are all gathering our strength together, right? To leverage on the big boys, to ride on the bull wave of a crypto cycle, okay? And of course, down the road, when Moonex cook more products and awesome protocols within the ecosystem, imagine this ecosystem, these products, right? They gain traction, right? It became, the T-Box somehow became the Web3 of PopMart in this ecosystem. There will be net revenue generating every day, every month, we don't know. But how much revenue is made regardless of $1 million, $100,000, okay? Half of that revenue is going to buy and burn Moonex token. That makes Moonex even more deflates. That makes Moonex even more scarce, okay? So this is a very important information that you gotta know. So that's it, legends. With TurboX, you are not just minting a token, you are fueling a deflationary ecosystem backed by a real crypto treasury. With every bond you mint, whether you are stacking Moonex for the long game or leading your community into DeFi the smart way, this is your signal. We don't chase pumps, we build value. And we reward those who show up early with conviction. So go mint your bond, share your link, and let's bring more people into this ecosystem the right way. As always, do your own research, stay on chain, and keep those diamond hands strong. Asian on Pulse, signing out.